G'day guys, welcome back. This is Sam with Nixon Offroad crew, and we are souping up this Jeep Wrangler JK with a new side step. Now this is for all 2008 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK models, and we have this uniquely stylish side step here. It's got a steel powder coated finish, it's got some slip resistance on it, and it's a quick install, so let's get started. Your Jeep Wrangler may or may not feature a side step. If it doesn't, you can go ahead and skip the OEM uninstallation. There are 3 bracket attachments on the bottom of each side for the side steps, the front, middle, and rear, and these bracket attachments consist of 2 side nuts and 1 top screw. We'll start by removing all of the side nuts and top screws from these brackets. We recommend having a mate to help you hold the side step in place as you are unscrewing the bolts. The side step should now shimmy out of place with a bit of help. We'll be attaching the new side step onto these 2 bracket mounts with chassis bushings along the frame. But first we need to remove these 2 OEM nuts from each bracket and keep them handy for the next step. The OEM screw is on the right and our included screw is on the left. You can use either one for this next part. We can now slide the mounting brackets on the new side steps between the chassis bushings. You'll want to slide in and then up onto the 2 threading screws. Now it's just a case of securing and tightening the 2 nuts on each bracket and you'll be all set. With a brand new rock solid side step for your Jeep. This is an adaptable design, so if you choose to, you can remove these step pieces to convert it to a true rock slider. To do this, we want to start by loosening up all of the screws that are connecting your new side steps to the body of the Jeep. With the side steps now loose, we'll have enough room to get our tool in there. Go ahead and start removing them. Some of the spaces are tight, so some additional tools can come in handy here. Now the step pieces will easily slide off. We do recommend securing these leftover screws into these points on the slider, as that will ensure that you can always find them later on should you need them later. Repeat this process with the other step pieces and you'll be left with a true rock slider. And we are done with this installation of our new side step. As you can see, it didn't take too long. This is a quick install. It's going to take you around 30 to 45 minutes to take off the original OEM, install the new side step on both sides. But as you can see, we've got a uniquely stylish result here. And thanks for joining us.